Hello, I want to make this quick video on mapping 32 counties in Tableau for Ireland. So I've got a very simple data set here. If we jump back to the data source tab, it's a list of all of the counties, the 32 counties, with the population at a given time. And what I'd like to do is be able to map these counties on a map. Now usually this is pretty straightforward in Tableau. Once you see the globe icon on a field, you can usually double click and you will get a map. Unfortunately, in this case, it doesn't work. And that's because we're crossing jurisdictions, basically. So the way the Republic maps the 26 counties is different from the way Northern Ireland or the UK maps their 6 counties. So for example, if I go into edit locations here, I can see that Antrim hasn't been picked up. I could look to change this, and I can see that between the mapping service that Tableau use and how the boundaries are categorized, I can see that it's Antrim and Newtown Abbey. So if I click OK, I get another dot here. But I can't keep going through that, and even this will break if I try to say for Cork, because for whatever reason, a county as we would know it in the Republic isn't picked up as a county in Tableau. It's picked up as a state or province. So you've got this crossing boundaries issue and mapping at different levels. So it doesn't come out of the box being able to do this. But it's quick, it's relatively straightforward. There is a website where somebody has made what's called a shapefile, which is exactly what we need of the 32 counties on the island. So townlands.ie, and you can download these files, and what they will look like is the following. So they download as 4 or 5 different files, and we're interested in this .shp file. So if I jump back to Tableau and go to my data source, what I want to do is add this in. So I'm going to add a data source, and I'm going to add the spatial file. So in this case, I want to add the counties.shp, and then I need to join it on. So what I mean by this is, in my 32 county file, I've called my counties county. But in the county shapefile, I think the name I'm looking for is this one here, this name underscore tag. So that's all I'm going to do. I'm going to say county here equals name tag here, and I should see my data populate below. So we can go back to our sheet, and now instead of using the county as the mapping feature with the globe, we'll use this geometry measure here. So we can double click on that, and we now have what looks like the outline of each of the counties. So what we'll do is, just to tidy this up, let's put name tag onto detail, and that should give us each county. And now we can build a Tableau viz as we normally would. So for example, I can drop population onto color, and I now get a heat map idea of all of the counties in Ireland with the various populations. So not something that comes straight out of the box, but not that terribly difficult. You can go to townlands.ie and download the shapefile, and it's a simple case of just joining that on to your dataset. Thank you.